Good morning. We're back. Hopefully you're back. Pull up some news and see what's going on today. Probably be chopping today and tomorrow just because markets close on or half day or close completely. I don't know on Friday. So we will probably resume normal PA next week, which I don't know what normal is anymore, but no news today, right? Some US, I think these are bond things, right? Um yeah, so pretty clear day on the news, which may be a good or a bad thing. So I guess we'll just wait for the market to open. 5 minute looks like we are just reaching up. Might go take out this high right here before market even opens. 1 minute bullish, 5 minutes pretty bullish. Let's get a bigger chart, hey? Let's look at the hourly first. Go from hourly and down. I don't remember why we had these marked out. I think yesterday, just those were like the main swings. We never made it to either one of them. That's crazy. I guess these two lines are still applicable. The one from yesterday, we made equal highs now, and it looks like we're going to reach for that. Just looking at the fib on this wick right here, we came pretty close to midpoint, actually. Yeah, the midpoint. Too many on here, Jesus. Can you take some of the, yeah, there we go. I only want the 50. There we go. Yeah, 50%. We came right pretty damn close to stopping right there. The body stayed up in the top quadrant, the top half. We did that. And then this move here, look at that. Bodies stayed within this fair value gap right here. We're just reaching higher. So pretty bullish up to 18622 for sure. Wouldn't you say? Of course, market can open and just absolutely tank and just go right down. But everything I'm seeing on the hourly is definitely pointing to this up here. There we go. There's the finish line. Do we hit that today though? Let's look at the 15. I think the hourly's telling the story for sure. I mean, all the other time frames should basically indicate the same exact thing. The only thing would be on the like the 15 and the 5 minute, we would just be watching for like we're still targeting up here. However, we would need to watch like when we get to these swings on like the 5 minute, and just there's a potential that the market doesn't move straight in one direction, except sometimes it does. But we go to some of these big swings, hit them, take them out, come back to like this area where there's displacement, go back up to this swing maybe. I don't know. I mean, that's how the market moves. This also does not matter because I'm on the 5-second chart and I'm not going to get no trade and hold it for 70 points. This is one of my favorite signatures right here. Little a V pattern going on with displacement on one side and displacement on the other side. We also have a V within that right here. Displacement down, wick down, make a new low or low, then displace up. Man, that was this morning, 4 a.m. Maybe we should get up earlier. Start trading with methodical man. All right, 5 minutes open. Let's see what kind of crap they want to pull today. I will have today's Wednesday, so bot number 1 trades today, tomorrow. If the market is open half on Friday, then I'll turn it on because when I back test, I run it every Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, no matter if there's a news event or holiday or half day or whatever. But I won't be taking any manual trades, but I'll turn it on Friday. I just don't know. It's so hard to tell with the stupid DME holiday schedule. Good Friday, 2024. What's going on, Sam? Trying to get a definitive answer on Friday. Good Friday holiday. Oh, it's closed completely. Okay. So, no bots. I was thinking if it was open half a day, I might still run one, but if it's closed completely, then yeah, nothing's going on. So I can't ever remember when we're closed or if it's just like a half day. And since the trading day starts the day before, it's so hard to read those. All right, cool. We are taking out that swing back here. I'm bullish until we get to 18.6 this high up here. All right. Well, oh, nice, Jamie. Well, before more people got here, I was saying I'm bullish up to this high. However, market can open and we can just go straight down. And that's what's happening. However, we've got some 5 minute fair value gaps to fill in. So I think we could still look to go higher. All right. Filled this guy in. I'd be interested in longs now off of this. I think. Do we go take out this low and that low? Jamie could have held on to that short for a while. Uh, all right. I almost took that, but I wanted to see if the market was going to respect it at all. And we didn't. We'll get in after we took out that low. See if we can just, I don't know, get up to here. This looks like one of those days where we just, I mean, we're still in the first few minutes, but take that. 4 points, 4.5 points. It's good enough. Damn, we are just all right. We took out those equal lows. Do we go to the next one? ES is very far away from its 825 low right here. Got a huge divergence again. Damn. You know, as soon as I short this, we are gonna rip up. So we'll just stick to the plan. We came right back to a 5-minute fair value gap. See if we create something. We did right here. I'm just not really trusting too much, especially longing this. It's kind of scary, but somebody's got to do it, you know. ES came right back to this gap, and it's gonna keep going. That's right, John. I mean, who else? Who else would you want to? If it's gonna be somebody, it's gonna be me. Two setups. Both of these gaps were valid. They were inside of the gap that the 5-minute on the 5-minute came right back to the 5-minute, got a reaction off of it, and then created two over here. I just didn't take them. This is going to be the point where we just turn all the way around. I still think we are bullish for this. Market's just going down and taking out some stops. And maybe then we continue up to 18,620. But it could also be completely wrong. Not wrong, just the market's going to do something different, I guess. It's been nothing but red so far. What's up, Alito? You're missing the bloodbath. I like that ES is still respecting this gap here. I would be willing to take a bullish fair value gap on the 5-second again. Or maybe I shouldn't because I missed all the opportunities back here. There's one. I'm just going to take it right there. Another 4 points. I just can't believe I'm back to taking a few points at a time. When I first started, or when I first learned about futures or Nasdaq futures, and learning that there was $20 a point, and seeing these movements, my goal was to take like 1 point out of the market every day. I was thinking if I could just get an extra $20, like I'm working full time, an extra $100 a week. I mean, that pays for, at the time it would have paid for groceries, not anymore, but yeah, 1 or 2 points at a time. I don't even have to, like, I had no idea what I was doing. I was just like, the candle's moving. Let me just get in and take 1 or 2 points out. And then obviously we evolved over the years. And then I'm like, okay, I need to get more than, I need to get more than 1 or 2 points. I need to get like 7 or 8 points or 10 points or 15 points. And then all the way up to trading ICT, trying to go after 50 to 100 points. And now we're all the way back down to just taking 4 or 5 points and being happy with that. I mean, I told you guys my goal uh, as of this week. We only needed to average $100, $113 a day in order to pass this before it renews. And that's the goal, is to not have to pay a second month. And we only need $113, and I'm already at 152 with 2 4-point trades. Like that's kind of stupid. And we're only trading one mini. Another bullish down here. These are all working. This one did not work, but you wouldn't want to take one that didn't come off of like I'm still trying to obey. You take out I don't require this, but typically we are making a new low or a new high, and then we displace off of it inside of a higher time frame gap. So that's why like this one worked. This one worked down here, and then we came back again for a second time, and it worked again. You don't want to take the ones. You don't want to take like ones that happen like 2 or 3 times consecutively in a row, unless you are really certain that it's going to keep running. ES has no fair value gap, so ES looks like it wants to maybe reach up to its highs. Nasdaq has all this displacement it's got to get through. But does that mean Nasdaq is gonna come up and hit like this and then roll over and drag ES with it, or is ES gonna just say I'm going after new highs and pull Nasdaq with it? Got a 1 minute fair value gap here. Why are these not sinking? Oh. See if we get a reaction off of that, which we are. Can we come back so we can maybe get some money off of this, or no? What's up, McLovin? Taking 2 trades so far, 2 W's just for a few points, for like 4 points each. We just came down and tapped this gap right here and then displaced off of it. I want to see us come back, ideally, like way down here. Jesus. I'm just gonna take it. I'm not 100%. I'm not 100% certain if it was gonna keep going up or not. Of course it is, but that's fine. We took a $40 out of that. When I'm trying to rely on a high win rate, I can't hold on to these trades too long. Just get in, get out, accept however much the market moved. If the market's moving a lot and quickly, then we'll put more money in our pocket. If it's not, we get a little less. That's what I was afraid of happening. I thought that was going to happen around here though. Um, thought it was going to go up and then turn around right there. Guess why? Nah, nah, bro. Here's I'm like I'm not getting into it. The, fine, I will. The more things you have, like nothing works 100%, right? Nothing works 100%. Sometimes we test VWAP, sometimes we go past VWAP. Same thing with every other setup on the planet. Even what I'm doing. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Um so every single thing that you look at to trade with or trade against VWAP or Keltner channel or whatever, or a specific pattern, they all sometimes work and they sometimes don't. Each thing you add, you're just adding more variables and uncertainty. So I feel like you're just going to do less. You're not going to do as good. You got to simplify. If you have if you have a quarter or a nickel or whatever, and you flip it, and you only make money when it lands heads, and then you want to add to your playbook 4 indicators. So now you have 4 more quarters. Now you need 5 quarters. Every time you flip those, you only make money if they all land heads. The chances of you making money now are going to be slim because you got to be right 5 times. I like to keep it simple. Jesus Christ. I could have not been more wrong in my analysis this morning. See our flag up here? That's where we're supposed to be headed to. I did say we could go lower. I mean, the market could go straight down and we'd be wrong, but God. Yeah, any gaps right there? Nah, this is a bad idea. Get out. Jesus. Yeah, I'm just trying to get a few points. I'm not looking for the market to reverse here. That's not what I'm thinking. I was looking for a reaction off of that. God damn, where are we? We're going all the way down to 18,414. Four three nine would be that swing on the 5 minute. You guys probably can't even see that. We got to be headed towards 414. That guy right there. I think it's clear on the 15 minute. Yeah, that's what we're looking at. This high and this low. What's up, Delta? I mean, I like any of these little bullish fair value gaps after we make these lower lows, just for a little reaction. What's up, Knives? Where the hell have you been? Yeah, it's just me and Alito today, I guess. Oh, is that good or bad? Oh, damn. Yeah, that might induce some emotions. That's how long it was held. That's how long you were in it for. This week has been pretty good. Today we're kind of getting. I mean, we started good, but now taking a couple losses. Now we're in this losing trade. But I gotta get out of that. That's a little. It's a little too much. Jesus Christ. We're. I think every day we were making quite a bit more than our rough tart goal. So we were doing pretty good this week. You got to be kidding me. I mean, I couldn't hold on to that any longer, but I know today there was no news, and now we're doing this. I'm going to see if we take out that 440. Yeah, that's at there it is. Okay, So I guess we're going after 414 now. This is a swing low on the 15-minute. Yes, finally took out 825. The swing low at 825 in the morning. Had this little consolidation area, broke out of it. It's not really a setup of mine, but we're so close to that swing low that I was expecting us to take out at some point. So if I think we're going there and it looks like we're about to go there, why not take the trade? Damn, we left some points on the table there. Let's zoom out and see what's going on. Oh, really? Damn, after all that run up, too. I mean, the next swing on these higher time frames is all the way down at 18,240. It's only 200 points. It's not unreasonable, but Jesus. I mean, we should just sell, right, Delta? I mean, we're going down. Just. I'll sell all you guys long because as soon as I sell, we're gonna rip up. Like that. That none of these quick moves up give us any entries. I know, right? Nice, John. I'm just gonna take that. Little tiny wins to try to grind us back to freaking break even. We were only down like 300, but I don't like being in the red. So it's a tough spot for me. That's usually when I do bad. So I'm trying to keep my head level and just grind little wins back. That's what I got to do. Came up into this gap. I don't think we've taken a single short. Or yeah, we did. We did take a short. Nice, John. I'm glad that worked out for you. Why were you longing right there? We're in a bearish gap. We created this on a 5 second, came back up into it. Oh yeah, you're the 100 point level dude. Buenalito, we need to go there right now. I don't like the way that that's moving. I don't like the way that that's moving like that. It's time for me to get some more coffee. That's what we got to do when we come back. Yeah, I was about to jump into a trade. I'll be right back. We think we're running higher, huh? Damn. Lido said we're going to 350, so market said, nope, I'm going to stay right here at 400. Like a long targeting back up into this gap. Talking about long, and the market drops 10 points. Yeah, as soon as I said long, look at this. I like shorts too. We at least go take that out. And if I short here, I'd be stopped up here. So it's a pretty small risk. If I put this stop on here, then the market's going to come hit it, right? I think I'm going to get out. Never mind, it's not letting me. Luckily, that works in our favor. And flatten did not. Something is up with flatten. Do I need to use close positions maybe? Just created a lower low, created this displacement. Back up to 405-ish. Oh yeah, you did, McLovin. Well, Jamie, I don't know if Jamie's still here, but I know what uh he or she or I don't know. I don't know Jamie that well, but Jamie at 9:30 shorted this right here. They got short at 563 and took like probably 5 to 10 points of profit or something out of that. And look at what we've done since 563. Never came back. Okay, so real quick, we were down like 300 after this move right here, and then this quick reaction, just that little pop. Uh, Me stepping away and getting like forcing myself to get off the charts just for even a few minutes to let my emotions die down a little bit, getting more coffee and just taking my eyes off the charts and then coming back. That helps a lot. Oh, okay. Hey, you followed your plan. We're always gonna. No trade is ever like perfect. You're always either gonna get out too early or get out too late. So the best thing you can do is not think like that and just think, I followed my plan. That's what I was supposed to do today, and that's what I did. So I think you did great. It's a pretty good play. I like it because you're done and over with in the first minute. Tough day, Delta. Like I don't know what's harder is. I think these days are harder when we just go straight in one direction because as soon as you short it, we're gonna turn around. As soon as you long, we're just gonna keep going. Choppy days are almost easier on like this 5 second chart. Because then you got fair value gaps to bounce back and forth, um, and then swing highs and swing lows to bounce back and forth. This is looking good for a reversal here on the 1 minute. Low, high, lower, low, and then all green candles above that. Yeah, you tell it, Delta. You should print out some candles and beat it up. Nice, Jamie. I mean, this is a perfect little setup to turn around, but I don't know if we actually do. Every other ICTer out there is thinking the same thing. I think if we break up above 429, we could get a little bounce, a little push. Yeah, for sure. The loss affects me regardless if it's one micro or 10 minis. I just hate feeling like I'm wrong. That's my issue. That's why I can't. That's why I need a high win rate strategy. That's why I'm so okay with taking just 3 points out of a move, even if it goes 50 points in my favor, because I need to just get the win. That's just who I am and how I think. Like that. Just gonna take it. It kind of stalled there. Got one. We got 5 ticks out of that. But again, if someone came up to me, if someone just came in this room and hey, handed me $20, I'll take it. Right? Why not? Alito, you doing all right? I like the break above this 29 up there. Again, just take a few points, 3 points, $60 right there. I don't know if that's what I meant with that. I just meant like being accepting of your small wins. The R3A. Very nice. Glad to have you. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, brother. Like and subscribe. Uh Tesla. We ain't looking at the normal stocks here. We're only looking at Nasdaq and ES sometimes. Tyler, doing pretty good. Uh if everyone includes me, then I'll tell you how I've been doing. We've been killing it this week. Today we were green and then red and back to halfway to green and then red. Had a coffee break and now we're back to green. Uh I'm getting pretty close to passing this. Getting pretty close to pass. Oh, we need 866. So I'm really only aiming for 100, or no, not aiming for. If I were to only aim for an average of 100 a day, we can pass this before it renews. This is only the second week, so we don't even need $100 anymore. 'Cause this week we've been hitting past our goal, but Kind of sucks aiming for lower amounts, like $174. Like, doesn't seem like a lot when we've been in moves that are like 60-point winners, but whatever. If it's working, it's working. No crypto. I don't have extra money to gamble in crypto. Mm. You haven't taken a single trade, Alito? There ain't no way. Damn. Honestly, R3A, because I just don't have any extra money. All my extra money is going towards trying to trade Nasdaq, which is where Nasdaq has my heart, not crypto. Crypto just seems, I mean, all the markets are rigged in my opinion, but if you're going to rate them on a rig scale, crypto is definitely at the top of the list of the number one. I don't know, bro. Crypto is the largest pump and dump scheme there is. This dude just liked and subscribed, and now he's about to thumbs down and unsubscribe and block. Yeah, I'm not a crypto bro. You're not gonna. I'm not into any of that really. Appreciate it. Just giving you a hard time. That was a nice little setup right there. The is Tesla halted right now? Oh no, it's just like right at where it opened. Oh yeah, crypto's doing pretty good. Are you short on Tesla? Jesus. Oh, gotcha. So you're gonna buy a bunch if it goes down. I see. Yeah. Again, I don't. I had some money in GameStop because I do believe in what's going on with GameStop. I think it still has. I think it's still gonna get short squeezed, but I took that money out a little while ago and put it in futures and lost it all. So I think it's the future. I'll have my people look into it. Alito, go research that and let me know what you think. I think we all go through that with any type of trading, Jamie. Oh yeah, look at that. I missed that as well. You never been you Delta, you haven't been through that phase? No. I've had some it's supposed to be boring, first of all, and oh man. All right. We got that gap after we tapped this gap down here that Alito missed. We got two future projects. Damn. Yeah, right. Nasdaq is we're gonna have to kill this, huh? Just rather get out of that. Still in that gap. Damn it. R3, I don't know how if you know anything about Nasdaq, but every single point over here is worth $20. I'm not. How old do you think I am? So, I mean, just from this move to this move, we're here to trade. We're not. I'm not. What does stock, base stock, have to do with it? Oh man, you're hilarious. I still like these longs, but we haven't. We took a loss on that one. Yeah, I guess so. Yeah. I needed to. We need to get together later. I don't know what the hell I'm supposed to do, methodical man. Like, do I still stream on mine? We'll just talk later. I'm in the middle of this trade. I'm doing it. I'm just gonna take that. Okay. I'm not taking any more trades today. It's been too roller coastery with our accounts. We were down 300 at one point. We were up 170, and then we were up 70. Now we're up 270. So we're just gonna take the 270 and be accepting of that. And yeah, just gonna take that. I'm sure it's easy, methodical man. I just wasn't sure, like, if I start a stream. Yeah, this dude, Elta. Who the hell is Elta? Methodical man, you have R3A in your chat. The money's in the trading. Oh my god. It is risky. So is any investment. But there's more I think there's more money to be made if you day trade. I'm curious. Okay, so you lost money in trading, you left your own away. You're all about crypto. You're all about space stock in the future. Why are you? I don't understand why you're here. Because all I trade is Nasdaq futures. Elta, you be nice. Oh damn! Shots fired. Oh my god. No, I'm asking why are you here? I'm asking why are you interested in being here if I just trade Nasdaq futures if you're more into crypto and in long-term investments and stuff. That's I was just curious why. Damn, look at this rip. R3, this move right here with one contract is 400 or $500. Oh, that's weird. I don't even talk about Tesla. Alito, you were in this move? Alito, what accounts are you trading? All right, yeah, I'm convinced that R3A is just Chat GPT. Your cousin's going crazy, causing a ruckus over here. What are you talking about? You mean because I said I don't have extra money to invest? Nobody said anything. Yeah, we all have. Yeah, I mean I don't have extra money. Methodical Man is always interested in new adventures, and he's streaming right now, so you should talk to him. I, on the other hand, am trying to make extra money, not spend extra money. And I think Methodical Man has said he's been trying to get into the crypto world, but he wasn't sure exactly like that. There's so much out there, he wasn't sure. So he's probably interested in those projects. What in the hell? Look at, damn, right off of this. Yeah. I mean, he honestly, he really is interested in like crypto projects. So I'm just not interested in doing anything with crypto. If he's probably, I know he's been asking his followers about it. Wagon wheels. That's a hot commodity.
You're only using it on the option 125 or 50K accounts, right? Kamal. Oh yeah, I trade crypto all the time. R3, all the
Bot
time.
hasn't taken anything yet. Ouchie. Ouchie. Ouchie pay.
Huh? That's weird. I don't know why it wouldn't let you use it more than once. I mean, it should. Hey, somebody check that, will you? Somebody check the code. Well, I guess you. I guess it's kind of hard for you to check. You'd have to use it more than once. Anybody use my code today more than once? No, I don't really trade stocks R3A. I actually just trade futures, really. Sometimes I trade more things. Like right now, I'm currently in a gold long. Gold. We're long duck dong in gold.
Oh, the hell is he doing on gold?
Look at Riggedy Quantum Computing Stock Project. All right, we'll do. When do you pull up the Ethereum chart? Black Beauty called out a gold play, so we're taking it. We took it.
How you like listening to yourself, Methodical?
We might take a long duck dong here if we close above on the 3 minute, although I don't like the lack of momentum.
um, Bot has not taken anything this week because I only run it on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Um, so the PAs are running right now. They're all green, so that's good. But I'm done. I think I'm done manual trading. I'm just gonna leave Quant Tower open and let the bot take something if it wants to. Even if we create a fair value gap right here, it's not going to take anything yet. There's no swings to be broken. The swing was already broken. We didn't create a fair value gap, so and I haven't been running bot number 2 because I don't didn't want to dedicate an account to it, honestly, because we saw it doing really good, and then I saw it doing really bad, and I wasn't really sure what to do with it, so I just haven't been running that one. For some reason, people are interested in that one, which I don't get. All right, calling it there. It's 10:40, up 272 on our 50K that we are manual trading. We'll leave the bots running until they stop running, or not the bots, but I have 4 PAs running with bot number 1 on the 5-minute chart, so I'll just leave that running for the rest of the day. We've got a little under $800 to go, so absolutely no rush. It's only been a week and 3 days, and we're already that close to passing. So even if I have a red day or 2 red days, as long as we keep it lower, we'll be fine. Yeah, Methodical Man is a freaking streaming celebrity. So there's plenty of potential quantum computing project interests over there. He is a rude guy. Nice. But yeah, I'm jumping off. There's no point in me trading anymore. We're gonna take our $270 and be happy with that. I want to let me look at the yeah, we had a little bit of a roller coaster today. But good news is we kept our cool, and we ended green, but we were green and then red and then almost back to break even and then red and then back to break even and then green and then green and then gave back and then green. So that's a good time to call it there. It is, trust me. Maybe that isn't the real Methodical Man. No, you're fake. Look at our this is for the last this is this account since we started last week. Had a little bit of resistance here, but we had some pretty strong support, and then we broke through. Yeah, exactly. All right, someone needs to block this. I'm gonna just block him, or we'll put him in timeout. R3. He doesn't have anything to prove. First of all, and second of all, I said that it was the real person. Had strong support right here. Oh, this was resistance, but we had a strong support level at a 602 ish. Dipped down, took out liquidity, ripped up. You got blocked. You got blocked on this channel. There's no way. All right, I'm out of here. Uh, today's the I hate talking about this, but I was gonna pick up another 25K account with Apex while it's 80% off because it's the last day. But at the same time, we have 4 PAs. I have this 50K that's about to be passed. We just need to get payouts on those before we freaking spend any more money with Apex. I don't know, R3. I think you got to stick with your crypto projects. It seems like the best thing. Go pick up some Apex accounts and use my link. And 1,500 for methodicals. What? You just switched that easily from crypto? You came in here, you started in here talking to us about crypto projects, and now you gave up on it. Oh, Tyler, where have you been? All right, I'm getting off here. If you guys want to continue the conversation, jump in the Discord. Other than that, we'll be back tomorrow morning. I mean earlier this morning. Tomorrow we'll be on Methodical Man's stream. I guess I'm streaming here as well, but I don't know. I'll talk to Myth later about it. But okay, you guys have a good one. Talk to you guys later.